Hello everyone, welcome to Web Magnet Hub. In today's lecture, we will discuss about how to separate the name and surname. And in the previous lecture, we had discussed about how to concatenate the name with their surname. So that was the part one of the lecture series of Excel, and today is the part two of the lecture series of Excel. So if you haven't watched it, then please go and watch and learn some basic concept. So without any further delay, let's begin it. We have two method basically. The first one is formula method and the second one is shortcut method. So first try to learn by using the formula. Click equal to. We use the left function because we have to separate the John from John Smith. So it lie in the left part in the A3 cell. So we use left function and this denote text. What it text here? A3 text, and we use find function here. Then double quotation. Double quotation uh, indicates the space here. Then comma. Then click A3 because here it is written within text. Within text means A3. Then close this. We use -1 here. Minus of 1 here is for extract the John from John Smith in the whole length. Click equals. What it comes? Okay. So we got John. Let's give it some more space. And now we want this result till A21. Then drag it till A22 and see the magic. Now we have to extract Smith. For this we use right function. Here in the cell B3 we had used left function, and for separate the Smith we will use right function. So remember it. For right function, give us give it the formula like text. What is text here? Again it is A3 and comma. Now we will use length function. Len length. Len means length function. What is the length function? So length function returns the overall the character of the A3 cell. Okay. Length function. What is text here? Again it is A3 and just use this. Then we will use minus and then find function. Why find function? Because we have to find the right portion of the A3 cell which is surname and which is Smith. So find this. Use double quotation here and comma again. Then within text, what is within text? A3. Okay. Then use this and double bracket and hit enter. It is written what it comes? Smith. So I know the formula is lengthy, but don't worry, we have the shortcut method also. So drag it till A22 and see the magic. Okay. So let's discuss the shortcut method. What is the shortcut method? The shortcut method is, in the previous lecture, we had discussed about the flash click or flash fill. What we have to do? Just just type same the spelling which is John. If the J is capital of John, then we also have to write capital J for John and select till A22. Then go to the data option, click flash fill and see the magic. We don't need to use the that tough lengthy formula which is we had used the left formula, right? So for the surname, type Smith. Okay, careful about the spelling. Yes, uh, give it some more space and select. Don't drag it, just select it. Okay, select and go to the data option, then click flash fill. Okay, and see the magic. So guys, that's it for the today. Thank you for watching this. Keep learning and keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.